The upcoming storyline is filled with suspense, betrayal, emotional confrontations, and unexpected revelations that will leave viewers completely stunned. The episode begins with a moment that no one in Virgad Palace ever expected to witness. Prithvi returns alive after being missing for a long time. His sudden appearance sends shockwaves through the entire family because everyone believed he had died in a tragic accident. The news of his death had already been accepted as the truth, making his return even more unbelievable. As Prithvi steps into the palace, silence spreads across the hall. Every family member is left speechless. Some are overwhelmed with emotion, while others are confused and suspicious. Questions immediately begin to arise. How did Prithvi survive? Where had he been all this time? And who was responsible for his disappearance? Among everyone present, Mohini appears to be the happiest. She rushes forward with tears in her eyes and acts as though she has finally been reunited with the man she loves. Her smile and emotional reactions convince many people that she is innocent. But behind that innocent face lies a dangerous secret. Unknown to most members of the family, Mohini has been hiding a dark truth. She is connected to the conspiracy that destroyed Prithvi's life. While everyone celebrates his return, she secretly fears that her biggest secret may finally be exposed. Meanwhile, clues connected to Prithvi's kidnapping slowly begin to emerge. Hidden truths that remained buried for so long are now finding their way to the surface. The palace is standing on the edge of a storm that could expose every lie and every betrayal. At the same time, Samir struggles with conflicting emotions. He is relieved that Prithvi is alive, but he is not ready to forget the pain and suffering that has affected the family. His loyalty toward Buama remains strong, and he refuses to accept accusations without proof. As the family gathers to welcome Prithvi home, Mohini decides to perform a traditional welcome ceremony. Carrying a garland, she walks toward him with a smile full of emotion. She wants everyone to believe that she has been waiting for this moment with all her heart. But what happens next leaves everyone frozen in shock. Just as Mohini tries to place the garland around Prithvi's neck, he suddenly stops her. The warmth in his eyes disappears and is replaced by anger and disappointment. Before anyone can react, Prithvi raises his hand and slaps Mohini. The entire palace falls silent. Nobody expected such a dramatic moment. Family members stare in disbelief. Mohini herself is left stunned. The woman who was pretending to be innocent suddenly finds herself standing in the center of serious accusations. Prithvi finally breaks his silence and reveals the truth that has been burning inside him. He openly accuses Mohini of being responsible for every dark conspiracy that has taken place in the palace. According to him, she has manipulated situations, deceived family members, and secretly controlled events from behind the scenes. His words create complete chaos. The family becomes divided. Some begin to question Mohini's intentions, while others refuse to believe the allegations. Tension fills every corner of the palace as trust starts to crumble. Prithvi refuses to remain silent any longer. He declares that Mohini played a major role in his kidnapping and imprisonment. He believes she wanted him out of the way so that nobody could stop her plans. Mohini immediately denies everything. She claims she is innocent and insists that Prithvi is making false accusations. She tries to gain sympathy from the family and presents herself as a victim of misunderstanding. But Prithvi is no longer willing to trust her words. Consumed by anger, he grabs Mohini's hand and starts leading her toward the palace entrance. He declares that a person capable of such betrayal does not deserve to remain under the same roof as the family she has deceived. The atmosphere becomes even more intense. Just when it seems that Mohini is about to be thrown out of the palace, Samir steps forward and stops Prithvi. His decision changes everything. Standing firmly in front of everyone, Samir refuses to allow Mohini to leave. He declares that no one will be punished without proof. As the ruler of the palace, he insists that justice must be based on evidence rather than emotions. His words immediately create a direct clash between him and Prithvi. Prithvi believes the truth is obvious, while Samir demands undeniable proof. The disagreement between them marks the beginning of a dangerous conflict that could change the future of the entire family. Unable to remove Mohini from the palace, Prithvi makes a powerful vow. Looking directly into her eyes, he promises that he will expose every secret she has hidden. He swears that no lie will remain buried and no betrayal will stay hidden forever. For the first time, fear becomes visible on Mohini's face. She realizes that Prithvi's return is a serious threat to everything she has built. The image she carefully created over the years is beginning to crack, and the truth is slowly finding its way into the light. Now the biggest mystery remains unanswered. Is Mohini truly the mastermind behind Prithvi's suffering? Will Prithvi succeed in exposing her crimes before it is too late? Can Samir discover the truth and make the right decision? Or is there an even bigger secret hiding within the palace walls? The upcoming episodes promise powerful confrontations, emotional drama, shocking revelations, and unexpected twists that will keep viewers on the edge of their seats. As the battle between truth and deception intensifies, every relationship will be tested and every secret will face the risk of exposure.